boom. Bro, I'm starting this thing quick and fast on you like the Cardi album, bro. Y'all already seen the thumbnail, this commission. Then I'm throwing in 2 pairs of hedis in there, bro. Fake nostalgia hedis. Swap, Izzo.
I'm gonna just let these things sit while I'm at the gym. Hopefully by the time I get back, the color should be removed. The color remover don't take as long as I thought it does. Like usually I let it, damn bro, I'm steaming. Usually I let it take like 4 or 5 hours, bro. The color remover only stays hot for like 2 hours at most. Now I think it's done all the action like by an hour in or something like that. So I'm gonna go to the gym, come back. Hopefully it should be time to bleach.
All right, so I just got back from the gym. I already got those waters boiling up for the bleach bath because we just did that color remover, remember? But I really don't know about color remover, bro. More like color adder. What the hell? I feel like they were all lighter than that, but it just always do that. Hopefully that bleach will get it situated. I know that bleach gonna get it situated.
All right, so I'm pouring up that hot water and I'm giving this thing a generous amount of this concentrated bleach, bro. Cause they really tried to try me with a color remover, bro. I'm paying for product, not even working. It's whatever though. Stir that thing up, get everything nice and homogeneous. We're gonna throw them things down up in there. Hedis, commission, hedis. It's a little sandwich. While those things soaked up, I had to do some alterations for my unk. Yes, unk got an unk. And I stirred those things every once in a while. Checked on them, see what they were looking like. The bleach was doing its thing, bro. It was doing me right. I let the thing sit overnight and I poured it out the next morning. Or at least attempted to. And then I wrung those things out, followed by a vigorous wash. Damn, bro, it can't never just be nice and aesthetic for me, bro.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I'm tired of shit. All the pants white, right? All the pants white. I got some water boiling there for 2 dye baths. Well, that's 1 dye bath, but I got water boiling. I'm gonna try to do 2 dye baths. 1 brown one, 1 yellow one. Brown one for 2 pair, the commission, and then 1 blank pair, and then the yellow one, right? So once I get all those dyed out, we're gonna do a little brown versus yellow. I'm gonna just freestyle them both, and then y'all are gonna tell me which ones y'all prefer in the comments. That sound like a plan? That sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, I'm finna go clean up the room a little bit, record the intro for the last video. The Nta Hedi Battle. Go watch that if you haven't, bro. It's a texture one. I know we all love textures. Go and get that. But yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever dye bath.
So I'm pouring up that dye bath, the brown one. You already know, the dusty one. Brown wets, black dusties. You already know how that go, man. But it really didn't get dark enough the first time. And when it came around to dye the second time, I found myself this big, juicy, fancy pot, bro. I was lit, bro. I was so ecstatic, but it started leaking on me, bro. Like it was a whole hole in the bottom. Had to clean that up. And then I had to transfer it to the other, oh my goodness, bro. I had to transfer it to the other trash can. It can never be aesthetic, bro. What's going on? You can literally see it leaking out the bottom of the thing. Poured a little extra water in there. And we got that dye bath situated. Little black dusties. And some brown wets. I went ham, bro. I wasn't trying to have it too light this time. So I just used all of it and got some extra out. Stir that thing up. Drop them johns down up in there. So after I got that dye bath situated, my girlfriend was behind me soldering, so I just went ahead and asked her if she'd solder up the bottom of this pot. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works now.
It look like it's sturdy now.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah.
All right, I got the brown pants dyed up. 1 pair is outside, ready to be sewn up, and the other pair, I want to do a little, paint texture. I don't know if I already said that earlier in the video, but yeah, that's what we're doing. But bro, first, I wanted to show y'all this crazy salad I just cooked up. I got me a little southwestern salad from Aldi. Bro, but first, y'all, I just had to show y'all this crazy salad I cooked up. So first, I got a little, wait, let me show y'all.
Brother, no.
All right, so I started off with a little southwestern salad base from Aldi. And then I threw some corn sauce in there, some pico, some chipotle sauce, some avocado lime ranch, some tacos. And don't worry, bro, I got my ratios right. I didn't just throw a bunch of sauce on it. I'm finna go bust crazy on this. Then I gotta edit the Dior video a little bit more, and then we can get to cooking up, bro. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I said I was gonna kick it in hyperspeed this year, so let me quit lacking and do it.
Bro, that salad bust so crazy, I thought I was in Mexico crossed the border. I thought I got deported, bro. But it gave me just enough energy to finish up this inseam later on that night, and that was all I did for this day.
It's the next morning, I got brain fog like an MF. Last night, I was, what did I do, bro? I forgot. I sewed up that inseam, bro. That's all I did, because I had the sniffles, bro. I'm still a little sick now. I don't know if y'all can hear it. But this morning, I posted up the pictures. I finished top stitching the inseam. Did a little few finishing touches. Got them on Depop for bro. I gotta ship those out. My girl's about to come outside so I can show y'all the final reveal on those before I ship those out. And then I got some water boiling so we can dye these up, right? And then I also got those brown pants that we're about to whip up. Let me see what I can do with those brown pants today. I gotta work the store, so we'll just see what we can do with some paint, varnish type vibes.
That commission I had to take care of this week was pretty decent. Bro hit me up. He said he wanted some LGB style pants. I guess he meant flared. And he said he wanted some crosses on there. He said he only wanted like 7. I just threw a bunch on there. I just got bro right. Said he wanted some cowboy fringes. Threw the little flare fringes on the side. And I added this charm I've been dying to use, bro. I've been having these cross charms since, I don't know, at least like 3 years ago. And they're not short, bro. I know they look like high waters. My girlfriend's just really tall.
Thank you.
But they were a little too slim for me, so I couldn't model them. Overall, great commission. I have fun making these. If y'all ever want me to make y'all some pants, bro, just let me know. If it's a good idea, I probably wouldn't have no objections making them. But the whole reason bro needed me to make these is because he wanted some LGB style pants, but they usually fit too tight around his thigh, and he didn't want the flare too crazy to the point where he couldn't wear them with some regular shoes. So he was hungry. You know what I'm gonna do, bro? I'm gonna feed the streets. And if you want to learn how to make the fringes, it's the same method I used to make the belt at the leg opening of these Muddy Johns. And I know y'all are probably wondering, like, bro, where's the stitching on the crosses? All back stitch. All right, that's enough. God damn. Okay, that's enough of that. Now we can go ahead and get this dye bath situated. A little bright lemon yellow dye up in the water, and I tried to get the extras out, but the water was fighting back. Still managed to beat them though. Stir them things up and drop them Johns down up in there, bro, because I'm trying to see which flavor Fetty's finna win.
Ignore the noise in the background, bro. My stepdad's DJing. But I just finished up the voiceover for the Dior denim video. The bath on the yellow pants, those are about done. I just wanted to show y'all my glizzies for the night. My little dinner, the rare ones. The
chips of eternal agony, bro. These things smell so bad.
What is this? Hold on. Damn, the white balance off. It's a kraut, onion, mayo, dirty glizzy. Chili, cheese, mustard, mayo, onion, I believe. About to go crazy on those. Hopefully, I can finish up those yellow ones, throw those in the washer and the dryer, and then we can paint tomorrow, honestly, bro. I got a lot done on the other video. I'm not even finna start no painting tonight. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Golly, I don't know. I'm about to go home.
Why you keep on saying tomorrow?
I'm ready to make something happen. I'm up here at the store today. Gotta get a little extra money on, but while I'm here, ain't no reason I can't paint these, John. Gonna take the table outside, get my varnish, get my mats ready. I'm finna just do a little fade vibe. Y'all gonna see.
And bro, later on in the video, I was like, sponsor me, Apple Barrel. Actually, don't, bro. If every time I'm gonna get some paint, I'm gonna have to peel through 3 protective layers, I don't want the paint. So once we did all the protocol to get through the Area 51 security, now I'm just pouring up this paint. Y'all know the deal here, bro. 70-30. Let me know in the comments. Is this 70-30? And let's see about this 30. Let me see. Never mind, bro. Don't even drop it in the comments, bro. Don't even drop it in the comments, bro. I know that's not 70-30. I don't want to hear it. Let's just go ahead and get to stirring it up so we can go ahead and get to painting it.
I wanna see you. I wanna see you. I wanna see you. I wanna see you. I wanna see you all that shit. I wanna see you go all in. I wanna see what you got planned. 10 racks out and put to win. Let's go all out. This time out of the world on in. I should put them bands on bands when they come back again. I should put them bands on bands when they come back again. I should put them bands on bands when they come back again. I should put them bands on bands when they come back again. Yeah, you know how I go. It's taking to make it, I'm making some more. T-E-R-O. I like my ones next to zeros. Niggas is trolls, don't even care what I can't control. Gotta control that pole, or that bitch and I know we gon' fold. Let's take a poll, who got all their chances go? Let's take a poll, who got phone out left in the cold? I feel your pain. I've been there before. Then went down that road. I just wish they know.
I know y'all gonna try to call cap, but I was dead ass like rinsing out the brush in the bowl just so I can use it again, bro. And I go outside to grab the pants. They're already dry. It hasn't even been 10 minutes. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and just load it up with varnish now. What? That's insane. Low key, bro, I'm just finna go load it up off camera because it's the same thing y'all just watched me do. It's just, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know it's new day. New dollar. Look, I ain't even did much, bro. I ain't did much since we painted the brown pants. What have I done? I don't think I did nothing. I had to take a break because I was still sick from last video, bro. I had to like just literally take a break, let my body rest like it was trying to tell me. But now we back in this thing. I need to go get the stuff out of the car and then set up the paint because we trapped in here, bro. A tree fell last night and knocked the power out. People are outside just blocking the driveway, bro, trying to fix the power, but I ain't complaining, bro. I am not complaining. Let me just go get that stuff out of the car, change clothes, go put on some paint clothes. I just had to throw that shit on real quick to remind myself I'm him. Jewelry by my girlfriend, except this one. I don't know where we got this one from. Can y'all even see that? Can y'all even see that? Yeah. But yeah, let me go change. Let me go change clothes and then we can get the paint. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna probably take a dab too. All right, bro, we in this thing, we set up, we situated, and this time I got a sit down situation, bro, because I ain't finna stand up, keep painting these things. So yesterday, it took me forever to find it, but I got this Apple Barrel Real Brown. Y'all may remember this from the, what video was it? The Texturizing Denim for a Week video. But bro, while I was looking for this thing, I found a rare one. I found this damn, what is it called, bro? I found this synthetic fiber dye that I picked up forever ago. And I tried to use it one time. This is like a long time ago, but it never worked. But it was because I tried to use it on denim, it was for synthetic fiber. So it worked, but I gave it to my girlfriend. That was a sandstone, bro. They need to drop that for the regular, you know, the denim dye. I'm about to mix up this Apple Barrel Real Brown with this Apple Barrel Black. Not sponsored, by the way. What? Sponsor me, Apple Barrel. Some varnish, paintbrush, bucket. Those are all my mats. Let's get to it, bro.
I keep my shit on the swivel. Nigga wanna play, get riddle. In this shit I do little. Chewing grip on my pickle. All of this shit so fickle. All of this shit made ripples. All of this shit made ripples. You gotta pull yourself up, go the right direction. You gotta watch your step. Ones that's left on. I'ma keep throwing that shit on. Kinda not a check on. Kinda not a check. Don't even know what's left. Don't even know what's left. Nigga done flip that rock. Nigga done flip some raps, yeah. I done did my wrong, ain't tryna get that back, yeah. If a nigga play ball, they be calling the ring, I done did my dirt, I tryna get that swift, now I done for the worst, I gotta be more careful. You know what made this shit hurt, I really think I left her. 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 You know what made this shit hurt.
Now it's time for round two. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter on the brown. No black, bro, no black. Bro, I'm trying to be all cinematic, bro. I'm just, all right, let me try now, y'all, let me try now. Yeah. Yeah. I swear I'm gonna do 30 this time. We're gonna do 30. That gotta be 30, bro.
You know what made this shit hurt? I really think I left her. 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 You know what made this shit hurt? I really think I left her. You know what made this shit hurt? I really think I left her. I keep my shit on the swivel. Nigga wanna play, get riddle. And in this shit I do little. Chewing grip on my pickle. All of this shit so fickle. All of this shit made ripples. All of this shit made ripples. All of this shit so fickle. All of this shit made ripples. All of this shit made ripples.
Bro, y'all will never believe what just happened to me. Okay, boom. It's a long story, so I'm gonna yap through it real quick. I went to the Goodwill. I wasn't about to go, but I'm glad I did, bro, because I pulled up in there. I'm looking for jeans for the next project and to just throw out some extra pieces, right? Hold on, who is calling me, bro? I'm trying to tell my people what's going on. All right. Damn, I lost my train of thought! My girlfriend tells me that it's half off day. I think, you know, Goodwill be having the color. It's half off for the specific color all week long. She told me the color was yellow. I'm looking for yellow pieces now, bro. What can I cop for yellow so I can get them half off? That's more profit, right? You know, less money I gotta spend, et cetera, et cetera. I do my little shopping. I get to the end, bro. I got a bunch of stuff. Let me show you what I got. This denim, I'm gonna tear apart to make a pattern for my 5K video, my curved side seam denim. Make sure y'all tune in for that, bro. That's gonna be an absolute bang, right? And then I got these. This is a yellow tag, right? Yellow tag, blessed. The first one was a red tag. Red tag, I was like, all right, it's whatever, good quality. I just need a pattern for real. Yellow tag, right? Boom. This one, yellow tag, right? And I got this fabric for 99 cents. This was a bang, bro. Y'all gotta check this one out. A banger ass fabric for 99 cents. And this was a yellow tag as well, right? I go up to the front, bro, and I asked her, is the color of the week, is it just for Sunday or is it all throughout the week? She says it's all throughout the week, but the color is orange. I'm like, orange? I look at the door, bro, and she says, oh yeah, it looks yellow from the outside, or it looks yellow from the inside, but it's really orange. And I look at it hard, bro, and it's like the creases, you know how stickers make creases? The stickers on the window that was creases was like yellow, but the parts that was stuck down was orange, or vice versa. Either way, bro, I was like, dang. So I'm like, you know how it be whenever your car declines or some silly shit, bro, you're like, damn, which ones do I really not need for real? And I'm looking, I'm thinking, she blesses me up so hard, bro. All this stuff together would have been like 816. Okay, only like $17 or $18 if the yellow tags would have went through. But with no orange tags, bro, shit would have came out like 40 something. She blessed me for, what did she bless me for, bro? She blessed me for 15 and change. My girls were supposed to come out to 20 something because she told me it was a yellow tag. You know, she got some yellow tags too. She told me hers came out to like 12 something. Hers is supposed to be like 16 or 20 something, bro. Blessings today, good blessings. But now I'm finna go ahead and still let these things dry. But I guess once I let these things dry, I'll go ahead and catch y'all on the second coat, the shiny coat. And that's it, bro. To my surprise, here we are, back at the store. I don't know, bro. I mean, it's Munyon, so I ain't finna turn it down. I already got my stuff set up outside. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up those yellow pans. My camera's about to die, so ain't no need for y'all to see it again, bro. If you wanna see the in-depth sauce, go ahead and check out this video right here. But other than that, man, I'll catch y'all during the reveal.